First of all,
everyone, in today's video I'll be showing you how to prepare better owu soup. Okay, this is my fish. Yeah, so I'll put them very washed, so I'll put them with water on the gas, set aside for it to be boiling. Then I will add my oil, or what they call native oil or palm oil. So I'll leave it to boil for some minutes. Then what I'll do next is to add my salt, little of my salt and my crayfish, a lot of crayfish. Yes, this is what I'm doing right now, a lot of crayfish. So guys, I'm adding so much crayfish so that you can see that it needs crayfish. And this is my native salt, and it can, yes, it's a native salt. So what I do next is to add my garri. This garri is mashed, soaked with water, and I added them to it. I will leave it to boil. Look at it, look at it looks like right now. So I'm getting ready with my delta owu soup. Okay, so what I'm gonna do next, guys, just watch me. I'm gonna add the starch. The starch, I soaked it with the native salt, so I'm gonna add it and turn it, because if you don't turn it, it's gonna get clumsy. So I have to turn it very well and turn and lower the heat and turn, guys. My food is ready, so I'll be using it for my lunch. Okay, this is my garri properly made for my delta owu soup. Guys, enjoy the meal. I hope you love this video. Stay blessed and stay refreshed. Bye bye.